Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm gonna give you my top 10 for my top 10 tracks. Number 10 is "You" by Atmosphere. Number 9, it's "So Good" by B.O.B. Number 8 is "Headband" by B.O.B. featuring 2 Chainz. Number 7, "Mind Your Manners" by Chitty Bang. Number 6, "Crack a Bottle" by Eminem. Number 5, "Like Toy Soldiers" by Eminem. Number 4, "Mockingbird" by Eminem. Number 3 is "Survival" by Eminem. Number 2 is "Pursuit of Happiness" by Kid Cudi. And my number 1 track is "Titanium" by David Guetta, featuring some artist, but I don't know who it is. It's kind of weird, because David Guetta is just a DJ. So yeah.